Hi Melinda. So this is the brief for Paws Pets Retreat, and as mentioned in the email, it's not a comprehensive brief, but I just thought I'd brief in where I'm up to at the moment, just in case you've got time over the weekend, because I can see that this page, I can see what I want to do with this page. So I'll jump into it now. Essentially, we're going to put some images into the copy here just to generate interest and give people something to think about as they're reading these. So what I've got is a number of images for each section. So for grooming, I'll send you each of these. So I believe this is one of our images, so dog grooming, and to align it on the right hand side here. The text, so if I just jump over to the home page, you can see how we've got a headline, and then we've got some bigger copy, and then we've got some smaller copy. And I don't know what the copy is yet for here, but I just want to have some writing probably in that size there. I suppose it's the same size underneath each of these headlines before we go into the bullet points, because a lot of people don't even bother reading these, but they may read the bigger text. So the spacing of the home page as well is much better. So you can see you've got image, copy, it works really well. So having said that, I'll ideally leave the final design up to you, but if this was well spaced out in between here and here, with an image on the right hand side for each of them, I suppose that would do at a minimum. But if you've got any other ideas how we can inject some engage, we basically need the readers to engage and look at this and get excited by it. So veterinary care, I'll just go through these images. So that's this image here, veterinarian services. Diet is, which one was I doing for diet? That one there. So preparing pet food. Pet care is the cat. That one there. Hygiene. We don't have a photo yet, but we'll just put in this woman cradling the cat with a cattery in the background. Specialty services, if we could do some sort of breakout that made that different to all the other ones, I wouldn't be opposed to that. But then if it was just the same, that would be fine. One other comment I'll just make quickly is the testimonials that's down here. Could we put that as part of the footer for every page of the, well, we'll do it for services at the moment. I simply just haven't had a look at the other pages, but if we could put it on the services page at the bottom, that'll just fill out this page a little bit more. Yeah, and don't be afraid to put space in between these elements so that it's nice and spaced out, which will then make the images separated. There's nothing wrong with people scrolling. People are happy to scroll these days. So getting back to it, specialty services. Post-operative, so that one there with the sick dog. And the taxi service is this image here. And that will do for placeholders for the moment. Some of these images I think will stay. Maybe a couple will go. We're going to do a professional shoot, so it may change, but it's the getting the images and the placeholders in at the moment, putting testimonials. Just put some dummy copy, lorem ipsum if you like, for the subheadings. And that will do for now. I realise this is short notice, but if you don't have anything, or you've got some time on the weekend to invest into this, then quite happy for you to do that. So as I said, it's early stages at the moment, but yeah, we just need to get the ball rolling. So that's about it. And yeah, let me know. Oh, sorry, one other thing. The dog grooming prices and cat grooming prices, can we just take those out for now? Yeah, just take them out for now, because we're going to do an online booking system, and it's probably all going to be integrated into the online booking system. Yet to be confirmed, still got to do the research on that. But yeah, so we may put these back in. I don't think so. So if we could just take them out for the time being, that'd be great. Okay, thanks, Melinda. Cheers.